back. So today we are trying to remove this white spot from either the burning marks or when you put your hot coffee or hot water or anything hot on your wooden table. Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys the quickest way to remove your white burn mark on your wooden table. So I've been trying to use the different method, use like a wet towel with the iron to iron out. Also baking soda mixed with water and baking soda mixed with toothpaste. I even use like a butter, or you could use like a mayonnaise that fails, and also use like a Vaseline or petroleum jelly that does not work. So the method is to use steel wool. This is the super fine steel wool. You're gonna mix this with the olive cooking oil, or that was the best. So I'm gonna use a towel to wipe it clean. So as you see, I try to get it out and it got even worse. I'm gonna wipe this out so you can see all the white marks. Maybe it's right here. It won't come out. I'm gonna use this mixed with the olive oil. So this is the olive oil. I'm gonna just couple drips here. Ooh. And then you're gonna use the elbow and grease, but not too hard, to get it out. So if you rub it lightly, it's not gonna come out. You gotta do it a little bit harder. Imagine your headlight has like a glaze to it. So yeah, I've been trying to different methods, so many methods, and all of them fail. So this is the best way and then the quickest way to get the white spot out of your wooden expensive or antique or vintage tables. Okay. So yeah, if you don't trust me, you want to go ahead and then try on a small spot so you don't ruin your table. Yeah, originally it was like a small white spot. So I used the iron and then with the steam towel. But unfortunately it was too hot. So that's why you see more white spot than before. I'm going to show you a clip of the video so you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay? So yeah, let's go and then go on to the other spot. I'm going to show it to you guys. So right here are the couple of the white spots, burn mark, that we at the hot pot or something. Somebody put the hot stuff here, and either that or some kind of cleaning chemical. So however you wipe it, it's not going to come out. So with the other spot, I use it, try to get the small spot out, and I use like a steam towel with a hot iron. It got even worse. So I guess when I did it too hot, it's got all over the table. So I tap this steel wool, super fine. Gonna use a super fine steel wool, and then with the olive oil right there. And there you have it. See how fast I get it off. I don't even need to wait. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, and please share this with your friends and fam. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one like always. Peace. Well, they say you could try the butter too, and then I'm gonna test it out.